In this guide, I'm going to show you how to drag race in drag meets here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, obviously, first things first, you need to make your way over to a drag meet spot, and really there is, I believe, multiple of these kind of around the map. Usually they are a little bit farther away, but they're all kind of on just a drag strip, as the name implies. Once you get here, what you need to do is pull into any of these slots. Just kind of look over on the left-hand side and then hit ready up. It's then going to pretty much lock you in one of these slots, and then essentially you need to go when it turns green. If you start early, it's not going to work. Then you have to wait for the next round. I actually just pressed my trigger down a little too early, so now I have to wait about 10 seconds. But essentially, you need to wait for it to count down, wait for the run to begin, and then of course, once it turns green, you're going to want to go ahead and take off and go as fast as you possibly can to the destination. You really just go straight. There's nothing too special about it, just like a normal drag meet, but that's going to be the full process right here. You can keep redoing this over and over if you want. You just got to go back to that one area to try and increase your speed every single time. Obviously, the better that you tune your car, the faster you're going to go for these. It is pretty fun. That's the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.